Hey guys, this is Chad with Pure Media Systems. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be mounting a mantle mount MM750 above this fireplace. Stay tuned after the intro. Alright guys, so we've got a 65-inch Sony and a Bose soundbar. We're going to put the MM750 up here and so that they can go ahead and zoom out here so that the customer can easily have the TV come down and be able to watch their TV at a more comfortable viewing height. So we're going to get to work taking the TV down, measurements, and get going. All right, so we got a quick update here. We've got the brackets attached to the TV. We've got their Bose soundbar brackets attached. It actually has an L bracket that sort of secures on the bottom, and we came up with a solution here to attach that to the soundbar bracket of the mantle mount. This is not something that was necessarily included with this for these L brackets, so we just fashioned that up together to make it work. So got that on both sides, and then we've got the handle here, so we've got enough space for them to be able to attach it to. So what's next is we're going to take measurements and start getting everything ready so we can cut the holes. All right, guys, so now that we've got our bracket on the TV, we're going to start taking measurements here in the wall. So we've done the math, taking the measurement, basically taking the measurement from the bottom of the bracket to the bottom of the soundbar or the bottom of the TV. Since we have a soundbar, it's to the bottom of the soundbar. And they're in the manual. It tells you a couple different dimensions you need to add and subtract. So we determined that we need to have the bottom of the housing 8.5 inches above the mantle. So we're going to go ahead and measure this off and mark it here. And we're going to go ahead and start tracing out and getting the rest of the dimensions. So we're going to come in here and we're going to actually find the studs. So this electrical outlet was added in by a previous contractor. So the stud's actually all the way over here. This is in here with a retro back box. So we're going to go ahead and cut the hole, and then we'll fix the electrical outlet here. Alright, so we've got the hole cut. We're going to clean up the cutting here, but you can see we've got the cavity inside of the fireplace here. I'm going to go and turn the light on. Alright, so you can see inside the cavity here, it's all wide open, pretty standard for a modern fireplace. So you see up and down. And so we're going to, you can see where they have already come through over here, but they're right over there. We're going to drop the HDMI cables, Ethernet cables, and everything for that area so that we can get everything through for the TV here. All right, so just showing what we're doing here, we're actually inserting horizontal studs here with the included adapters. We're cutting down 2x4s. We're going to put one at the bottom, one at the top up here so that the mantle mount can the bracket or the enclosure can go right into here, so all the weight can be attached to the horizontal 2x4s. So we're working on that right now. We're tracing out or marking out where the studs are going to go and where the brackets are going to go into so that we can get all that going. So we'll show you that next step. All right, so we've got the new HDMI cables pulled through with a new brush plate, got the electrical outlet put in right there, and of course we've got the mantle mount in. So we've got, to hold it in, we've got two claws basically that are right here. There's one on the other side, and it comes down and puts pressure on it so that this will hold itself down. From here we're going to attach the back plate so that we can then put the TV up here. And then we'll get all the cables routed and TV plugged in. All right, so behind here, we've got the surge protector, which has everything on the side. But you can see this actually is 4 pistons and full system here. So this actually can go side to side. We've adjusted it to where it does not smack into the fireplace. It stops right here or into the mantle. And it comes up and recesses fully into the wall. So we'll show you some other features that this actually does. So what's really cool is if this is to the side, we'll go ahead and pick it up and we'll show you that it actually will automatically straighten it out as you're bringing it up. All right guys, so we're finishing up. We're gonna clean up and we're gonna show you everything that we got here. So this is the MM750 for mantle mount. On the bottom here you have grips that will actually change color when it gets, I want to say, above 110 degrees. So if it's down, you've got the fireplace on, it will actually change red. Or if you didn't have a mantle and the heat was coming up, it'll change red as a visual indicator. It's also something nice to grab onto. This has an integrated soundbar mount, which we've made adapters here for their Bose soundbar. And of course, we've got our 65-inch Sony TV. So to pull it down, very easy. You just grab the handle, pull it down and out. The MM750 comes a few inches lower than all the other models, the 540 and below. Customer's going to come in with some touch-up paint where the old bracket was. But we can turn this from side to side very easily. And we'll go ahead and show you what it looks like behind here as well. All right, so you can see it is obviously turned, so we can just pull it straight up and we're just pushing it and it automatically straightens the TV out. From here, you don't want to let go because if you let go, it can smack against the wall. So you just guide it and add a little pressure and that's it. So it automatically will straighten the mantle mount up so that you don't have to worry about it being the correct positioning. So it comes up automatically and where you can rest against the wall. So of course this does recess in, all of the mechanisms are recessed in the wall so you get a nice flush mounting on the wall. All right, well thanks for tuning in. If you enjoy videos like this or projects with audio, video, networking, automation, whole home audio, anything like that, anything media related, please consider subscribing, show your support for our channel. Hit that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos as well and give us a big thumbs up. If you're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area in Texas, we can be reached at 972-905-0556 or email sales@puremediasystems.com. We can do full system design. We're authorized dealers for Klipsch, Sonos, all the products you see in our videos here as well. So buying products from us is like buying directly from the manufacturers. You get full manufacturer warranty and everything else, just as if you bought it directly from the manufacturer. You just get our expertise and service to install everything as well. So again, 972-905-0556 or email sales@puremediasystems.com. Thanks guys.